Superfood Protein Mix has 30 whole, raw, plant-based ingredients. It's high in protein, high in fiber, and high in essential fatty acids. There's no added sugar, no artificial sweeteners, no preservatives. Superfood Mix is paleo, raw, and vegan. It's also gluten-free, wheat-free, and grain-free. Superfood Protein Mix is a multifunctional superfood. Shake it, bake it, eat it raw.
Hi, I'm Dr. Max McLeod, the creator of Raw Power Products. I've dedicated my life to helping people overcome their health challenges, and I've spent the last 35 years doing exactly that. My specialty is progressive and integrative medicine, which combines the best of modern conventional medicine with the latest scientific discoveries in health, nutrition, exercise physiology, and alternative medicine, using a holistic approach. Try one or more of the Raw Power products and start experiencing the many benefits today.